Hey everybody, thanks for watching. I'm Ben and we're going to go over how to use the Brookpoint mag locks that are part of your keys when you check in or with your VIP. They're accessible for the outside doors along with the pool door. So what we're going to do is we've got this here. Here's Sam and Brittany. They're really thrilled to be here on this video. But what you can see is here are what the blue key fobs look like. They're very lightweight. On the outside of the doors where these things are used, like right now if you see, I can't pull on this door. I mean there's a little bit of give, but not very much. I simply take this blue key fob up to this sensor, it turns green, and it unlocks the door. The other way that this door will unlock is if there is motion. And what the motion does is it will keep the door completely unlocked. You can see if that light is flashing, it means that this door is unlocked and it will not lock. So as soon as there is no motion in this room or any room, it will actually unlock. So hopefully that makes sense. I'm going to shut the door. It has a timeout time period. Lydia wants to be on the video. Anyway, there's a timeout period on the door itself. It's like 15-20 seconds. So if there's no activity inside there, it will take 15 to 20 seconds before it locks. And sometimes you can hear it, sometimes you can't. So, and see now it's locked already. So that is how you use the blue key fobs to gain access to the pool and outside door areas of the hotel. So I'm Ben Plickard. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.